Hey guys, welcome to I kept farting. Okay, start it over. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Amara and this is my first video, and I didn't really know what I was going to be doing, but these are gonna be like random videos. And so for this first video, I wanted to be making slime. And yeah, this is Nickelodeon slime. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the package. No. So I opened the package and these are all like the stuff that you can add to the slime and basically to make it. Okay, so these are the bowls that I'm gonna be making things in. And here are just some like decorations with it. And if you add a lot, it'll become crunchy slime. And then these sticks are to stir. And then these little things, I think they're for to save them in. And then these two bottles are clear glue. And then these two other bottles are activator. And then this is glitter glue. I'm pretty sure that's where you make the color. And then I don't really know what this is or what the spoon is for, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and read the instructions and I'll be right with you. Okay, so first I add the clear glue. This is actually a measuring cup, and I'm supposed to pour 15 ml glue, clear glue, inside of here. So yeah. This is like not seeable. Okay, so now it's asking for 20 milliliters of water, so I'm just gonna put it in. Okay. Okay, so it asked for a whole glitter stick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze it in. And I chose the color red. Because that is my favorite color. Ow, this hurts. These look like cheese. And it's asking me to stir it, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir it now. Whoa. Guys, it's like all breaking into pieces.
This is a slime activator. Slime activator.
Slime activator. It says to add 5 milliliters. In here, so I'm barely gonna add any. Because it's all the way at the bottom. Okay. I'm just gonna slowly pour it in while I'm stirring. Look guys, it's already turning into slime. It says to keep stirring until it gets thicker. And it's like already thicker. But I'm just gonna keep on stirring. It's like sticking to the stick. Okay, so this is a little bit liquidy. Not as I expected. I don't know what I did wrong. I probably added like too much activator or something. It is very liquidy. I added a little bit more clear glue and a little bit more activator. And I'm just going to keep stirring and see what happens. And it's starting to get a bit better. But once I keep stirring, it'll probably get better.
One eternity later.
Come on. Really. And if you don't wings and you don't work out today, this is your workout. Actually, I actually did work out today because I had soccer practice. So, and arms were involving. Okay, so I literally just added a bite of baking soda and just some bites to make it crunchy slime when you are gone. And it is like slime now, guys. It formed. So baking soda, you did the right thing. This is like slime now. Now I'm gonna try to take it out, and I hopefully it will not get all over the place and it won't get messy. Okay. I'm gonna play with it and try to form it. Yeah, it's so sticky. Okay. Okay, so it's ripping a little bit, but it's still really good. And it's a bit stretchy, but once I start playing with it more, it'll be fire. Okay, so this is what the slime looks like up close. It could have been better, but it was my first time making it on my own. So, pretty good for my first try. I mean, it's more pretty. But in my next slime video, I'm pretty sure it'll be way better because, okay, now I know how to make it. And it feels really soft too. Get the rest of it out of the bowl. Guys, it's starting to get not sticky anymore. It's like not sticking to my hands anymore. But it doesn't really stretch. But that's okay. That's alright. That's okay. This will be great slime someday. Just kidding, actually it's getting more stretchy. Okay. Okay, the Nickelodeon slime was okay. It's not the best, but I will be making more slime in these videos, and maybe next time it'll be better. But it was really fun making it, and it actually looks really pretty. But yeah, it is not the best. And it's not really sticky, which makes me a bit upset because I can't make bubbles. Like, but it is still kinda stretchy. But it rips really fast. Overall, this was a really fun slime experiment. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.